हेलो फ्रेंड्स और वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी एमजेएस। और आज हम आपको बताने वाले हैं टाइप ऑफ सर्जरी के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग और स्टडी रिलेटेड कंटेंट के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है ये वीडियो। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। रीड एंड फाइंड आउट है, पेज नंबर 1 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, वाई इज मिस्टर पंफ्रे वरीड अबाउट ट्रिकी। मिस्टर पंफ्रे क्यों वरी थी ट्रिकी के लिए जो उनका डॉग था। Mr. Pumphrey is worried about Tricky because he is unwell. He had refused to eat food and had bouts of vomiting. She feels that he is suffering from a serious health issue such as malnutrition. What does she do to help him? Is she wished in this? Mr. Pumphrey start giving him extra snacks like malt, cod liver oil, Horlicks, apart from his main meal to improve his condition. He also continues to satisfy his sweet tooth with cream cakes and chocolates. She does give him any exercise, does not consider his listlessness as well. She is not wise in doing so because overfeeding Tricky is worsening his condition instead of improving it. It has made him very fat and lazy. Question number 3. How does I refer in the story? I refers to the narrator Mr. James Harriet, a veterinary doctor. तो ये आपको पूछा जा सकता है कि I refer क्यों करता है, और नरेटर का अगर पूछेंगे कि इस स्टोरी का नरेटर कौन है तो एक वेटनरी डॉक्टर है जिनका नाम है मिस्टर जेम्स हैरियट। पेज नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, इस नरेटर एज रिच एज ट्रिकी मिस्ट्रेस। ट्रिकी मिस्ट्रेस का मतलब है मिस्टर पंफ्रे। नो, द नरेटर इज नॉट एज रिच एज ट्रिकीज मिस्ट्रेस मिस्टर पंफ्रे। We can say so because the narrator seems fascinating by how lavish Mr. Pumphrey spends on well-being and maintenance of her pet. He is unusually surprised by the enriching items she sends for Tricky as he cannot afford them for himself. Question number 5. How does he treat the dog? James Harriet treats Tricky just like he would treat overweight and lazy dog, which Tricky is. He cut down his food intake and keep him under strict observation for the initial days at hospital. He gradually increases Tricky food and set him free for physical activity to improve his health. Question number 6. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Mr. Harriet matlab James Harriet is tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest because of the good food and wine he is enjoying in Tricky's name. He does not want to lose the luxurious inflow of fresh eggs, wine and brandy. तो मतलब जब उनका डॉग ट्रिकी हॉस्पिटल में था तो उसकी मिस्ट्रेस मिस्टर पंफ्रे रोज डॉग के लिए वाइन भेजती थी, ब्रांडी भेजती थी, एग्स भेजती थी ताकि उनका डॉग सही हो जाए। बट डॉग्स के लिए ऐसी इतनी कोई नीड नहीं रहती। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. व्हाई डज मिस्टर पंफ्रे थिंक दैट डॉग रिकवर इज अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी? Mr. Pumphrey thinks that Tricky recovered is a triumph of surgery because his illness was very serious. She was of the opinion that there were few changes of Tricky to improve and he needs immediate medical attention. Thus, his revival without any medical treatment was a great achievement according to her. तो मतलब ये सोचती थी कि उनका डॉग बहुत ही सीरियस इलनेस से परेशान है तो उसको एकदम से इमीडिएट अटेंशन चाहिए, बट वो बिना मेडिसिन के ठीक हो गया था। बट आप इसकी समरी पढ़ेंगे, अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ी है तो हमारे चैनल स्टडी एमजीएस में दी हुई है और आप उसको जाके समझिए तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे से याद हो जाएंगे। तो भरते क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, थिंक अबाउट इट, पेज नंबर 6 ऑफ द चैप्टर ऑफ द बुक. What kind of person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? The narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is capable and wise doctor. He handles Tricky properly, which shows that he is sincere about his profession. He does not operate upon the dog unnecessarily and cruise him by alternating his diet and activities. He is a tactful person, as he know exactly how to convince Mr. Pumphrey to hospitalize Tricky for a surgery. His decision to inform Mr. Pumphrey to collect Tricky support his sensibilities, even though he was tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. So question number 2. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Tricky was happy to go back home as he really loved his mistress and the comfort his lavish life. मतलब जो डॉग था उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि भैया उसकी मिस्ट्रेस जो है उसको अंडे दे रही हैं, वाइन दे रही हैं, ये दे रही हैं, उतना तो वेटनरी डॉक्टर नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकता, तो उसको तो लैविश लाइफ चाहिए थी। फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं। ही डिडेंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स एट होम लाइक इन द हॉस्पिटल। तो जब वो रुका था, आपने समरी मैंने कहा है आप जाके देख लो और आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता चलेगा इसका। बट ही सीम्स इक्वली एक्साइटेड एट द साइट ऑफ Pumphrey. I think that Mrs. Pumphrey will be careful about Tricky's diet and health. She may also give him exercise daily as prescribed by vet earlier. तो मतलब जो मिस्टर पम्फरे थी वो सोचती थी उनके डॉग को एक्सरसाइज की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज खाने से ही वो सही हो जाएगा। बट ऐसा नहीं था, वो रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन पे जा रही थी, तो वेट ने भी कहा था आप उसको एक्सरसाइज कराओ। और मैंने आपको बताया आप समरी जाके देखो एक बार, अगर आपने नहीं देखी, आपने देख लिए तो इसके आगे मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, आखिर में बोलूँगा एक बार। Question number 3. Do you think it is real life episode or mere fiction, or it's a mixture of both? तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, the story seems to be mixture of both. It may be possible for a rich person to overfeed their pets due to love. It is not unusual for them to maintain a vast wardrobe for them either, but it is unlikely for a veterinary doctor to go out of the way and lie in order to save an animal. It is also unusual for anyone to consume food which is given in the name of pet health. Page number 7. Talk about it. Question number 1. इसको आपको बस पढ़ना है. This episode describes the silly behavior of the rich woman who is foolishly indulged, perhaps because she is lonely. Do you think such people are merely silly, or cannot their action cause harm to others? Mr. Pumphrey's action had a harmful reaction on Tricky's health. She was over-parenting and overfeeding Tricky in the name of love. This worsened his condition to an extent that he had been hospitalized. People like Mrs. Pumphrey are not just merely silly, but their actions can have dangerous consequences for others. तो मतलब अगर वो ऐसे ही अपने डॉग को अपना घरेलू नुस्खा करती रहती और उसको खूब खिलाती पिलाती तो उनका डॉग नहीं सरवाइव कर पाता। तो हाँ, do you think that there are also parents like Mr. Pumphrey? Yes, there are some parents like Mr. Pumphrey who spoils their children by pampering them. They overfeed their children pets despite of being aware of harmful effects on their health. Parents like Mr. Pumphrey should maintain healthy lifestyle of their family and pets. Question 3 है, what would you have done if you were a member of staff in Mr. Pumphrey's household, a neighbor? What would your life have been like in general? तो ये बस एक फ्रिक्शन है और ये इतना नहीं पूछा जाता, बट आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए और आप खुद ही रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, इफ़ I were a member of a staff in her household, I would have not followed Mr. Pumphrey's command to feed Tricky blindly. In fact, I would have fed him according to the vet advice. I would have also skipped the sending the unnecessary stuff like toys, cushion, etc. to hospital. My life would have been a very busy one, as I would have to take care of the household chores and meet Tricky's demand on time. If I were Mr. Pumphrey's neighbor, I would have advised her to consult a vet and follow her advice strictly, keeping in mind Tricky's deteriorating health. I would also have been supporting in the hard times when Tricky was hospitalized. My life as Mr. Pumphrey's neighborhood would have been full of surprise and gift, as Mr. Pumphrey was a loving lady. और ये हमारा आखिर का क्वेश्चन है, तो बता देता हूँ. What would you have done if you were in narrator's place? If I were in narrator's place, I would have treated Tricky with a similar amount of compassion and love. I would have been equally caring as Mr. James Harriet towards Tricky. I would have just been a little more stern while advising Mr. Pumphrey to put Tricky's on a strict diet, knowing her the way showing love. I would have also not consumed Tricky's shared eggs, wines, brandy sent by Mr. Pumphrey. तो ठीक है दोस्तों, ये आपका हो गया। आप इसको कॉपी में भी लिख सकते हो, और आपको एक समरी चाहिए इंग्लिश का, आप वैसी कर लो कि ग्रामर मेन रहता है, उसके भी मैं लेटर्स के फॉर्मेट्स आपको बता दूंगा। और ये अपनी ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी हो चुकी है, इसकी समरी भी मैं बना के आपको दे दूंगा। तो आप एक बार समरी पढ़ लो, एक बार एनसीईआरटी बुक पढ़ लो, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो जाएंगे, फिर आपका ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट है। आप अपने हिसाब से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो इसमें, बट रिविजन करना ज़रूरी है। तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि आप भूल जाते हैं। और समरी आप इसकी एक बार देख लीजिएगा, और एनसीईआरटी को भी दोबारा पढ़ लीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद।